Hey everyone, it's Juan, and in this video I'm going to lay out exactly how I start off my morning every single day for energy. A couple of weeks ago I mentioned how over half of adults say that they feel tired at least 3 days out of the week, and 3/4 of them say that it gets in the way of their productivity. I know when I'm not intentional about how I start my day, my energy can definitely take a hit. So I thought it would be helpful to talk about some of the things that I do in order for me to make sure my energy is where I need it to be for coaching my business and everyday life. But before I get into it, if you don't already know me, I'm Juan Guerrero with Your Personal Best Training Studio, where my team and I help men and women over 50 get to move better, feel better, and age actively. So the first thing I do is I wake up and I take a big drink of water to help rehydrate my body. This also helps to boost my metabolism first thing in the morning. Another thing I try to do shortly after waking up is I try to get in some stretches to make me feel more awake and so that I don't feel so stiff when I start my day off. When I know I'm having a busy day ahead of me, I also make sure to have a high protein breakfast that will keep me going until lunch. And this is usually some sort of protein smoothie that I just love. And those are just a few of the things that I do to start off my days with more energy. They might be small actions, but they add up to big results. If you're looking for ways to boost your energy, check out our 21-day strength and longevity program. It will help you to find the actions that get you the results that you want. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys watching the whole video. See you guys soon.